Thank you for tuning into Zim News Beat TV.
Director of Ceremonies and Secretary for Higher and Tertiary Education, Innovation, Science and Technology Development, Professor Fanuel Tagwira, Vice President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Honorable Colonel Retired Campbell Dugish Mohadi, Honorable Minister of Defense and Chairman of the ruling party of Zimbabwe, ZANU-PF, Comrade OCZ Mchinguri Kashiri, and Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Jacob Mdenda. Our host minister for Harare Metropolitan Province, Honorable Charles Chiwenga, Minister of Higher and Tertiary Education, Innovation, Science and Technology Development, and Minister who defines poverty and education well, Honorable Professor Amon Murwera, Honorable Ministers here of Higher and Tertiary Education from the SADC region, SADC Executive Secretary, His Excellency Elijah Mangosi, Your Excellencies, let me ride on the protocol already given. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. It is my distinct privilege to introduce the guest of honor at the 7th Southern African Development Community public lecture. This year's public lecture is being held under the theme, Building Research Capacity and Innovation Ecosystems for a Sustainable Industrialized SADC Economy. This theme dovetails with the overall 44th Ordinary Summit Heads of States and Government theme, which is promoting innovation to unlock opportunities for sustained economic growth and development towards an industrialized SADC. These two themes aptly capture our collective resolve as a region to embrace innovation as a way to boost industrial productivity and accelerate industrialization to uplift the livelihoods of our people. Distinguished guests, our guest of honor, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and incoming Chairman of SADC, His Excellency Comrade Dr. Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, is one of Africa's visionary leaders, a liberator and a revolutionary. He is a remarkable leader who possesses exceptional business acumen and has demonstrated a unique ability to rally people, communities, institutions, and nations together for progress. Under his leadership, there has been a concerted effort to foster collaboration between the public and private sectors, aligning them towards a shared vision. He recognizes the crucial role of the private sector in driving national and regional economic growth. This is clearly demonstrated in his mantra that Zimbabwe is open for business. Our guest of honor firmly believes in the transformative power of education, and more specifically, the power of science, technology, innovation, that arises from an appropriately designed and vibrant education system. Ladies and gentlemen, through the guest of honor's ingenuity, the business landscape in Zimbabwe has transformed significantly under his philosophy, Nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. A country is built by its own people, no one else but its own people, and in our case, Zimbabweans. This philosophy has ushered in an era where local entrepreneurs, industrialists, and commerce players are rethinking their roles, leveraging on our diverse resources and raw materials. This is therefore a newfound confidence among our people to start businesses, open new industrial plants, and participate in strategic business discussions that influence policy. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, allow me at this juncture to invite the guest of honor at this 7th SADC Public Lecture 2024, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and incoming chair of SADC, His Excellency Comrade Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, to deliver the public lecture to this auspicious gathering. Your Excellency.
For these and more stories, tune into Zim News Bit TV